Heygen vs Colossyan. Let's get started. So let's start with Heygen. Heygen is a web-based AI video generator that uses realistic avatars, text-to-speech, and lip-sync dubbing to turn scripts into human-like presenters. It's ideal for marketing, training, and global content. Colossian, on the other hand, is also another AI video platform built for internal training, onboarding, and corporate communications using AI avatars, screen recording, and team collaboration tools. Now let's talk about their pros and cons. So Heijen offers high-quality avatars with natural facial movements, multi-language support with lip sync. It also has a custom avatar and voice cloning. It also has a smooth UX, drag and drop video builder, and it's great for social videos, ads, explainers, and content creators. The only downside is it starts at $29 per month and can get expensive for frequent use. And Colossian, on the other hand, offers ideality for corporate training, HR videos, and compliance content. It also offers screen recording, team collaboration, and script versioning. It supports slide-based video generation for structured formats, and it has an easy avatar swapping for different presenters. The only downside is the avatars are less dynamic than Heijen's visually, and the styling and design options are more limited. So choose Heijen if you're a content creator, marketer, or educator who needs highly polished public-facing videos, and use Colossian if you're part of a company or team needing to create internal training or onboarding videos.